Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ensure your mouse and keyboard respond and Dota runs without input lag. Open Settings, go to Hotkeys, then Abilities. Switch the ability slots to Quick Cast or Quick Cast on key down. You do this now so that the engine sends ability commands immediately instead of waiting for click targeting. Once done, bind items to consistent keys like 1-6 and F1-F4. Consistent binding prevents miscasts under pressure and makes muscle memory reliable. Once you have basic bindings, refine how Quick Cast behaves. Load Demo Hero and practice combos for at least 30 minutes. You want to replicate real fight pacing. Try Quick Cast on key down if you need tighter channel or blink timing, because it registers the input faster. Make sure to test double tap behavior and disable conflicting autocast options in advanced settings. These often override Quick Cast. Repeat practice until targeting consistency is reliable, and make small binding tweaks between sessions. To finish, save your hotkey profile and export the config file so you can restore it instantly. Practice in lobbies until your reaction timing matches the new setup. If miscasts persist, reset settings to defaults and reapply only Quick Cast to isolate the issue, because layered changes can conflict. Also check hardware. Key ghosting on cheap keyboards, incorrect USB polling rate, or mouse driver macros can break Quick Cast. If nothing works, reinstall Dota or restore a known good config backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.